So what are these? For starters, you need to be, even if you have not started today, even if you are not exposed, you have isolated yourself, you are not getting out, you are maintaining the social distancing, wearing the mask, not unnecessarily going out, taking all those precautions, I still say you need to get on those 4 vitamins and antioxidant tablets that I prescribe to every patient. Number 1, zinc. Get a zinc supplement, whatever it is. 50 to 100 milligrams a day is a must that you need to take. Number 2, vitamin C, 1000 milligrams minimum every day. Number 3, vitamin D. If you're taking it as a preventive, initially start every alternate day for a week and then go on to bi-weekly. Keep taking vitamin D, 60,000 international units, the soft gel. Number 4, magnesium, 500 milligrams twice a day. So these are the 4 I want you to take even if you have nothing, because this is going to help reduce the severity of any COVID infection coming into your body, which is going to be attacking you in a much less severe manner. I'm not going to spend time on telling you why, but there is enough scientific data to show that if you take zinc, you take magnesium, you take vitamin D, and you take vitamin C, the severity of the disease is much, much, much less. Having said this, should you get COVID, don't wait to reach the hospital. The day you get a fever, even if you have not tested yourself, even if you don't know whether it is COVID and it could be ordinary flu, it's not going to harm you if you take the medications I tell you. If you have absolutely no heart disease, you can straight away start with hydrochloroquine. You get it as a trade name of HCQS, 400 milligrams BD on the first day, and then BD meaning twice a day, and 400 milligrams once a day for the next 4 days. This is if you have no heart disease, no blood pressure issues, or no cardiometabolic issues. If you're absolutely healthy. If you have any of these, please check with your family physician whether it's okay for you to take this. Even so, if you don't want to take hydrochloroquine, you have 2 other tablets that you can take which are to be taken together with this. 1, take doxycycline, it's Doxy 200 milligrams, Doxy 100 milligrams twice a day, and this for 5 days, and ivermectin 12 milligrams. Now, you have 2 very good, ivermectin is easily available in all pharmacies. It has been used as a deworming medication. You get it in 2, or the ones that I use are ivermectol and Vermact, both coming from reputed companies, Sun and I think it is Mankind. Both are available over the counter. Now this is 12 milligrams. You need to take it every day, once a day, again for 5 days. So hydrochloroquine 400 milligrams, HCQS 400 milligrams twice a day on day 1, the remaining 4 days once a day. Doxycycline 100 milligrams twice a day for 5 days. Ivermectin 12 milligrams for 5 days. You start this together with what I've already told you, along with the vitamin B complex. You will be able to reduce the severity of any COVID infection affecting you. Start early, that is the key. Because if you do not start early, the chances are that the viral load in your body increases. That's when you land up in the hospital. It gets a little too difficult for the hospital with its overburdened staff to kind of give you immediate attention. You further delay time, and that delayed time is going to cost you